Hi guys, my name is Wille. I'm a nurse practitioner at the Center for Community Health and Prevention. We were asked to share some of our favorite holiday traditions with all of you. Obviously the holiday is going to be a little bit different for every single one of us. I hope I can minimize my recipe here to kind of mimic how it would to be serving less people, but it's great for leftovers. So all you're going to need for this recipe are three basic things. I use a roll of the breakfast turkey sausage. It's lighter in calories than some of the pork sausage that's out there, although the pork sausage works very well. You can use links, you can use patties. If you use the links, you kind of basically squeeze the contents out of the casing, and then you kind of cook it up. You're going to need a package of cream cheese. Now generally I use 2 packages of each, but today I'm using the fat-free cream cheese. Generally lighter in calories than the full fat, but you can certainly use the full fat too. Depending on how many people you want to serve, you would kind of adjust your recipe. And the final thing is a jar of the salsa. I like the Wegmans medium. Salsa gives it a little bit of a bite. You can certainly use anything you want. This jar will probably actually be enough for, like, if you're making 2 recipes. So I'm just going to use about a half a jar of this at this time, okay? So as you can see, my cream cheese and my sausage have blended very well together, and now I'm going to add my salsa in. This is about a half a jar, and then we're going to stir it around. So once this is kind of blended all together, you just kind of keep stirring it a little bit, and then I'm going to pour it into a pan. And there you have it, 3 simple ingredients. If you'd like to add cheese to the top of it, you can go ahead and add some cheese. I usually put it into the oven and bake it at about 350 just to kind of warm it up, and if you decide to put the cheese on, it kind of melts the cheese. So I just threw some little cheese on here, and now I'm going to pop it into the oven. So I know earlier I said it's 3 basic ingredients, and really that truly is what it is, but if you'd like a little variation on that, you can throw some cheese on it and pop it into your oven and bake it at about 350 for about, I don't know, 10 minutes, just enough to melt the cheese. Okay, so I just took it out of the oven, and it's got a little cheese melted on top of it. It's so good. Take one of your favorite chips, and all you really have to do is kind of scoop it out and enjoy. Delish. Happy holidays, everyone.